Hi guys and good evening to Puan Mazlina. Today we will be presenting about our problem-based task, which is lab activity 3A about animation. So my name is Ishwari Anaperempuan Shanmugam and my cut metric number will be 13DDT19F1052. So as you can see this will be our coding for main activity Java. And main activity Java is an activity specify what the app does and how it should respond to the user. Okay. And then the next one will be activity main XML. XML file, we can say it's like a layout XML, which you can enable to change the layouts in your designs. So you can see here, this coding will be for animations. So we have 11 buttons, and here will be the slide XML, fade XML, and then move XML clockwise, and then bounce zoom out, blink slide down, my animation XML, and sequential XML, and last but not least together XML. So this will be the output for our coding. First button will be zoom in button. So the capabilities of zoom in is can bring the image nearer to your screen, so you can see the image more closer. As you can see, when I click zoom in, the Iron Man image is zooming in, right? Okay, and then next will be clockwise button. The capabilities of a clockwise button will be the image will be turning around in the same direction as the way in which the hands of a clock move round, which means like right hand side. So as you can see here, the Iron Man is moving round in a clockwise way. So next will be button fade. So the capabilities of fade is it will gradually grow faint and disappear. We can also tell this fade animation is the process of becoming less bright. So as you can see here, when I click the fade button, the image is getting slightly less bright, okay, which is called as fade. Next, the button will be button blink. The capabilities of blink button is to shine with a light that goes or seems to go on and off, like on and off blinking button. And when I click this button, the image will start to blink. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okey, saya Cuk Atira F1094 akan menunjukkan fungsi-fungsi bagi button move, slide dan zoom out untuk animation ni. Bagi button move, the picture will move to the side. I use the picture of apple and it shows that apple will move to the side. And if we press slide button, the apple will slide upward. And apabila kita tekan button zoom out, apple tersebut akan semakin kecil. Itu sahaja. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum, saya Nur Najah binti Ismail, F1178. Saya akan terangkan 4 button. Button pertama slide down, button kedua bounce, button ketiga sequential, and button keempat button together. Untuk button slide down, bila kita tekan button slide down, image tu dia akan turun ke bawah. Dan bila kita tekan button bounce, image tu ia akan melantung ke bentuk yang asal. Dan bila untuk button sequential, image tu akan pergi ke bawah, ke kanan bawah, dan ia akan pergi ke tempat asalnya balik. Untuk button together, bila kita tekan button together, image ni akan macam untuk clockwise dan zoom. Image ni akan berputar sambil gambarnya sambil membesar. Gambarnya semakin membesar. Okey. Untuk button together,